What's up guys, welcome to Frasha Santos channel. So today I'm going to show you how to check your RAM specification without using any software. So to do that, we're going to open a command prompt window and run as administrator. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. So you're going to type this command wmic memorychip. And if you enter that command, you're going to see so many options. As you can see, the form factor, install date, the version, the speed, the status. So to summarize that, we're going to clear the screen. So I'm going to type wmic memory chip. We want to get the basic things that we need: device locator, then the speed, then we're going to add part number, manufacturer of the RAM in this case, and the serial number. So that's it. You're going to press enter, and you can see here that the manufacturer of the RAM is Samsung. Here is the part number, and the speed is 2133 megahertz. So to get more information about your RAM, I'm going to copy this part number. So I'm going to hold Ctrl+C to copy the part number, and I'm going to open a web browser. So I'm going to copy here the part number and press enter. And now you can see here is the RAM for my system in this case. And you can see here is the specification of my RAM. You can also check up the price in, let's say, Amazon. Yeah, as you can see, we have not used any software to check our RAM specification. Yeah, so, and you can also use this command to get the same information using Windows PowerShell. So going to open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. I'm going to copy this command. I'm going to leave the command in the description below. Yes, so here's the command. As you can see, the information is just the same. As you can see, the manufacturer here is Samsung. The part number is still the same. Yeah, the form factor is still the same, and the speed. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and I will see you in the next one.